Hi, it's Nikki here. Welcome back to A Life Like Vera. As you can see, the background has changed slightly. There's a story to that. I've moved. I'm in my own little 2 up, 2 down terrace house with the dogs, and I'm living my best life. I want to do more sewing videos, but I've also got a lot to show you with finding the house, moving in, all the work that was done, and I was really lucky to find some fantastic trades that did all sort of the big work for me. It did need a bit of work, but I had very little money to spend, so I had to buy something that needed that sort of work, and I'm just really happy. So let me take you on a little journey. So this is the front of the house. Yes, it's frightening. In through the front door, windows are all blown. Common theme in this house is the colour, which as you can see is a lovely shade of grey. Not my thing. This wall clock was the first thing we took off, and the beautiful light feature that the electrician laughed about and said he was going to leave in. Yeah, I already started measuring up because the feeling of the house was really good, and the lovely shape of this fireplace. Kitchen at the back of the house. I'd scribbled on these pictures about the work I was going to do. Out the back door. Oh yeah, there was a hole in the ceiling in the kitchen. Yeah, that was the yard. Not dog friendly at all. Rubbish that was left out. And as is typical with some of these 19 terraces in England, you get a second garden, so you have a shared access, and you get like a second garden. Back in the house, up the stairs to the hallway, which runs along past one of the bedrooms to the bathroom. Again, oh, change of colour, beige, but does need a lot of work. And in the hallway you'll notice there's the smallest loft hatch in the world that even a small child will struggle to get up. This bedroom is the bedroom that I wanted because I like a smaller bedroom that's cosy, and it's at the back of the house so it's quieter. Again, the grey theme running through, and obviously someone got a little bit angry with the door. I believe that was a previous tenant. And then through to the front bedroom, which is the larger bedroom, which I've earmarked for guest room, grandkids room. Yeah, so that's a little tour of the house before I did the work on it. As you can see, it needs a lot of work. Obviously you can notice from the view behind that I have done quite a bit of work to it. It took me 4.5 months. I got the keys on the 28th of March and I moved in on the 1st of June, so the trades were incredibly fast. The house needed a full rewire. All the ceilings needed skimming. I've had the bathroom and the kitchen replastered. There was I ended up with 3 holes in my ceilings. So those had to be addressed. What else did I have done? Yeah, all the ceilings were skimmed. Oh, there's so much. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to break down each room. I'm going to talk to you about the original state of the room. I'm going to tell you about my dreams and aspirations for that room, my aesthetic. I'll use that word, which bats about all over the internet, and the work that was done and how it is now. None of my rooms are by all means finished, but they're getting there. But I'm going to try and do a 2-weekly vlog so you can see how each room's progressing, and I think it's going to be ongoing, this work. So little things I'll do as well, like upcycles and that, because I've done a lot of upcycling. I've had some fantastic finds, vintage finds, and I'll talk to you about them. But whoever's watching, thank you so much for watching, and come with me on my journey of vintage renovation. Bye.